Hello and welcome to day one of Vlogtober. So all throughout October I'm going to be doing loads more videos on my channel, loads of vlogs and just some different things going on, and I'm going to kick things off with some fun baking. All set up in the kitchen now, and I'm just going to bake some like generic fairy cakes, and then I've got some fun decorations to ice them with later, but first things first, I probably should get out all of my ingredients. So here's all of my ingredients. I've actually got these interesting cupcake cases. Thought it would be fun to do Vlogtober and just to, I suppose, just do some slightly different videos than normal. I'll still be doing all of my normal like beauty and makeup content, probably still on a Wednesday and a Sunday, and then the aim is for Vlogtober, obviously don't hold me to this, is to upload on a Monday and a Friday as well, like the more vloggy style videos. There also is going to be a giveaway, and again I will talk about that a bit later on. So I'm just going to get my ingredients weighed out for my fairy cakes. I've got my butter and my sugar, so I'll just get that all creamed together. I think the most fun part probably of making fairy cakes is definitely the decorating of them. So I have got loads of like icing pens and different sprinkles and stuff like that. So no doubt I will have a good time decorating them later, and I'll also show you how that all goes. Anyway, so this month I have actually got quite a lot of stuff planned. So we are going away for pretty much the first half of the month to a few different places just in England. It does involve some places that we've not been before, so I'm really excited. And then towards the end of the trip, it's actually my birthday, so I'm going to be 30 this year, which sounds horrendous, and not sure what the exact plans are going to be for the day or for that weekend. My birthday is on a Friday. Just thought it would be really nice to do like a giveaway to tie in with Vlogtober and to tie in with it being my birthday. So I have got a few bits that I've been hoarding up to do for a giveaway, and I've been thinking about doing one for a little while anyway. So yeah, I have got a few bits for that already, and I'm going to keep adding to that throughout the month. So I will show you a bit later exactly what I've got so far, but just bear in mind there will be a few extra bits gradually added to it. The giveaway is not affiliated with YouTube. Obviously purchased everything myself, and I will put all of the rules in the description of this video. I thought, as I always do in all of my vlogs, I will just show you my makeup of the day. So I've gone for this blue look here, and for that I actually used the Jeffree Star Ranch palette. Just was quite fancying a nice bright eyeshadow look, so that's what I've gone for. Outfit of the day, you've probably seen already. I have got my Peabody Hotel t-shirt. Has got ducks on the back as well, which you can kind of just about see in the mirror. So it's got the front of the ducks on the front and then the back of the ducks on the back. And then I've just got some like patterned trousers on. So yeah, not too exciting of an outfit. I thought the makeup was a bit more interesting, to be honest. The cakes are all ready to go in the oven now. I think they only need about 8 or 10 minutes. So just time for a quick tidy up and the cakes will be done. So we've bought a new chair, which is here and covered by this blanket. And here is Ord, loving the box. I'm not sure where Felix is, but you right there? You okay? Yeah, that's fine, I'll put your lid back on. And the cakes are done, they're out of the oven. I'm gonna leave them to cool down, and I'm gonna decorate them later so they are definitely 1,000,000% cool. The plan is now actually to go out for a very fitting autumnal drink. We're going to go out to Starbucks and get a pumpkin spice latte because I have been back out for a little bit now and for some reason I haven't had one yet. So I thought it would be the perfect opportunity on day one of Vlogtober to treat myself to a PSL. And we're just off to get a pumpkin spice latte. So we are back from Starbucks now, and I really enjoyed my first pumpkin spice latte of the year. I was a bit annoyed though that they gave it to us in takeaway cups rather than having cups, because I really wanted to just eat the cream with a spoon, but nevertheless it was really tasty and really autumny and probably is one of my favourite Starbucks drinks. So yeah, back home, PSL was really nice. We did actually also stop in Iceland. We were only going to pick up one thing, but they had loads of stuff like reduced that's still massively in date. So I'm just going to show you quickly what we got. So first up, they had these Starbucks cafe latte, just instant sachet things for 75p. And they also had the mocha ones that I haven't tried. They did also have cappuccino, but definitely fancied these two more. They had half price Nando's rub, so we picked up a smoky barbecue one for 50p and a medium one for 50p because they always just come in really handy. And then we also got these McCain craft beer fries that we've never had before but look delicious. They were £1.37. And then the last thing, which was actually one of the things we did kind of go for, so we got some sweet potato fries, and these McCain ones again were reduced to £1.38. It's time to decorate the cakes now, and I have roped in a glamorous assistant to help me decorate them. I'm going to show everyone what decorations we've got. So we've got icing, sugar, teeth and lips, ice creams, marshmallows, chocolate chips. You've got pink icing colouring, some pen things, and many sprinkles. Are you excited to help me decorate the cake?
I'm really excited.
Well, we've decorated the first half of the cake, so I will show you our attempt at being artistic.
Right.
These are Tim's ones.
I can talk if you want.
And these are my ones. Could you explain your cakes, please?
I wanted this one to be like a nest of chocolate chips. I'll put some more chocolate chips in there. Do you think it needs more?
It's got a lot in there already.
And this was inspired by your face, except I think your face is much nicer than...
Well, my face was supposed to have like eyelashes, but they've gone a bit wild, and yours is like...
Looks really creepy.
Creepy. So these are the final 6. So I've done this face and like a pink and white one, and one with all the sprinkles, and then these are Tim's. This is the one where loads of sprinkles fell out. This one here, and a nice chocolatey one. So a little bit of a mess to clear up now, but I think all in all, successful cupcakes. Just gonna get everything tidied up now, and then I'm sure we're both gonna test out these fairy cakes to make sure that they're not poisonous. So back in a bit.
So Brodie is now going to taste test the cake that she has.
I've gone for this pink ice cream sundae. It's really nice, if I do say so myself. I really like these pink sprinkles.
Is it like glazed sugar?
Yeah, it's probably just sugar on sugar on sugar. I pretty much just wanted to end this first day of Vlogtober by just showing what giveaway stuff I have at the moment. I think I said at the start of the video or earlier on that I'm probably going to be adding to this throughout the month because the giveaway is going to be running for the whole month of October. But this is the bits that I have accumulated so far, and we've got a Morphe makeup bag. There is a selection of Beauty Bay brushes. Obviously they're all like sealed up and everything, and they're just like in this rose gold colour. I've got a Garnier eye mask. There is this Nip and Fab Salicylic Fix Concentrate Project Lip Mask. A Sensory Retreats Self-Heating Eye Mask. There's a couple of different nail polishes. So there is this pinky one from Essie, and then there is this Nails Ink nice red one there. And then the last couple of bits I've got so far, I have got this Rimmel finishing powder, and I have got these reusable makeup wipes here. These are the Magnatone ones, and there is 2 in here. So I will keep probably adding to this, as I said, throughout October. And yeah, if you want to enter the giveaway, all of the information is going to be in the description of this video, so check that out. And yeah, if you want to enter, just do what you need to do. But I really hope that you enjoyed the first vlog of Vlogtober. I've had a lot of fun today, and I think probably making the cakes was my favourite part of today. But stay tuned for more vlogs and more, I suppose, normal content throughout this month. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you did enjoy the video, give it a big thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you again in my next video.